All right, so what if I told you that pasta, yes, pasta, could be one of the keys to better performance both in and out of the bedroom or the car, wherever you want to do it. Now, and the best part to this is that this dish is easy to make, it's packed with nutrients, and almost guilt-free. So let's get started. So if you notice, I'm out from behind my desk and I'm in my kitchen today. I'm Dr. Rachael Ross, physician, sexologist, and founder of the Dr. Rachael Institute. And did you know that Americans consume an estimated 20 pounds of pasta per person each year? And unfortunately, pasta has a bad reputation for causing weight gain and spiking blood sugar. And to make matters even worse, most of our American-made pasta contains additives and is really made with highly processed flours, which can actually make it even less healthy compared to the traditional Italian pasta. But today, I'm flipping the script and I am showing you how to make E-Function Pesto Pasta. It's organic, it can be gluten-free, and it's loaded with nutrients that are clinically proven to support erectile health. Now, this recipe alone can pack about 56 milligrams of nitrates, 214 milligrams of magnesium, bam, and 3.5 milligrams of zinc, and an impressive ORAC value of almost 7,000, which is a measure of its powerful antioxidant potential. Antioxidants are critical for reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall vascular health. They're underutilized, and in everyday diets, sometimes if you're eating just a standard diet, you're not getting enough. So if you're serious about improving your erectile health, I have pinned in the comments below a free gift for you. All you got to do is enter your email address and I will send it to you. So that will also get you on my list because I've got a cookbook coming out, an E-Function cookbook. And if you don't know about my recipes, check out some of the other videos on smoothie recipes and how the impact they're having on men around the world. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm almost at 1 million subscribers and I need you to subscribe so you won't miss out on stuff like this. All right, so first we're going to start with 2 cups of cooked organic gluten-free pasta. Now, of course, you're wondering, why organic and why gluten-free? Well, here's the thing. Organic pasta avoids the harmful additives found in American pasta. Now, these additives like herbicides, artificial preservatives, bleached flour, they all contribute to inflammation and digestive issues. And the gluten-free options are better if you struggle with gut health because gluten can actually impact the gut and cause inflammation in the gut and make it really impossible to have that healthy blood flow. So try it with organic, try it also with organic gluten-free and see which one you prefer. Now, the Alente method. Here's another secret. I want you to cook your pasta just until it's al dente. That means that the pasta is firm to the bite. Al dente pasta has a lower glycemic index compared to overcooked pasta, that mushy stuff. It helps prevent blood sugar spikes and it's tastier. So to get that type of perfection, just add a little bit of sea salt to the water, boil the water, add the pasta and cook it for about 7 to 9 minutes, depending on the type of pasta that you're using. Test it by biting on a piece. It should be slightly firm in the center and not gushy. And once it's done, drain it, rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process. If you're eating it later, keep it hot if you're serving it immediately. Now, this is the green trio I talk so much about. We've got the basil, we've got arugula, and I've got spinach. These aren't just greens, you can smell them. Spinach and arugula, first of all, are rich in nitrates. Nitrates convert in your body into nitric oxide, which improves blood flow, which is a key factor in erectile health and cardiovascular health. Combined, these greens, these 3 together, provide about 56 milligrams of nitrates in this recipe alone. And basil is an amazing source of vitamin K. So we don't want hard and stiff arteries. We want them elastic and light. Basil does that. And actually they did a study giving sheep about a 25% diet of basil, their sperm motility rate and their fertility rate shot through the roof. So here's the thing. When you're using basil, what I want you to do is take it off the stem. Basil is the best because it is so easy to grow. Anybody, whether you have a green thumb or not, could do it. Now, this is antioxidant-rich. It smells good, it's fragrant, it's got a particular scent. And when you make this for yourself or your partner or your family, they are going to love it. It's like one of the most requested things in my household. And historically, basil has been used for centuries as an aphrodisiac in traditional medicine. It's got calming properties. It may reduce stress. And since it reduces stress, it can help with erectile dysfunction, right? And this aroma is stimulating. It's thought to actually increase libido. And arugula has its own version of spice, but it's oxalate free. So if you have arthritis or kidney disease, add more arugula than spinach. I actually did a video on oxalates and nitrates that you may want to check out here. Just check out the card that just popped up on your screen. Now, the next part of that, after you got the triad, that special triad, now you're going to add your grated Parmesan cheese. Now, I use the real stuff. I grate it naturally, but this is important because it's creamy. Now, if you love Alfredo, now Alfredo is the blackest pasta in the world, right? This is going to be important. But it also gives you zinc, 1.5 milligrams of zinc, and it helps with testosterone production. And if you're vegan, just make sure that your alternative vegan cheese has a Parmesan-like flavor. It's got a little zest to it. And so far, we've got our nitrates, we've got zinc, we've got a bit of history on our side, and we've got magnesium, but the magic doesn't stop there. Let's move on to the ingredients that bring it all together to make this dish the powerhouse for your health. And, don't forget to grab that free gift I have for you pinned in the comments. Now, make sure you subscribe so that you can stay in the loop and I can share more tips with you on how to live your healthiest and your hardest life. Now, the next part are my cashews. I've soaked these for about 15 minutes, and so they're a little soft. Now, cashews are rich in magnesium, which helps relax those blood vessels, improve circulation, boost blood flow, and improving the health of the lining of the blood vessels. This recipe has about 150 milligrams of magnesium from the cashews, which is crucial for testosterone production and for healthy blood flow. Nuts actually also naturally contain L-arginine. You've heard of L-arginine, right? It helps relax blood vessels because it's a precursor to nitric oxide. Though through your diet is the only healthy way to get L-arginine. I encourage you to avoid the supplements that have L-arginine in it, especially if you're over the age of 45, because it can make you sick. Now, next we got garlic powder, about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now, garlic contains allicin, which has been shown in studies to enhance nitric oxide production and improve endothelial cell function. You see, I like garlic. It's just, ooh. And it's been historically used to boost sexual health and vitality. In fact, in a 2024 pilot study that was published, found that garlic improved erectile function in gents who responded really poorly to generic Cialis alone. It added that extra boost, all right? So then once you've gotten that, then you want to focus on adding a little olive oil, extra virgin organic olive oil, EVOO. It contains healthy fats necessary for hormone balance and testosterone production. It also provides omega-3 fatty acids and improving endothelial cell function. Now, all of these factors directly support erectile health. Now, we got to get the lemon juice and the sea salt in. So you just take half a lemon, squeeze it in. This is adding the vitamin C, which supports those healthy blood vessels and boosts immunity. Now, I want you to season this to taste. I love salt, and because I do like real salt, I can add a little extra. It does not impact my blood pressure, but you do what you need to do. Add a little salt. Now, here's a pro tip. I always want you to taste your pesto before mixing it with your pasta, right? So you blend it, you taste it. Do you need more salt? Do you need more Parmesan? Do you need more garlic? Do you need more olive oil? Is it too thick? And then, et voila, you've got your amazing E-Function Pesto Pasta. So let's go ahead and give it a blend. So you taste your pesto first. That's really good. I think mine needs a little more salt. Just a little bit of salt. That's what you want to do. Season it to your liking. Hit it. Delicious. All right. So now, here's the next part. You want your pasta to still be warm so that now you can take your pesto. And you are going to take that pesto and Spoon it on here. Now, what I like to do is garnish with a little bit of tomato. Tomato has been linked to vascular health, another boost to your circulation. That lycopene is amazing. So for the perfect plate, to complete the meal, you're gonna pair your pasta with a healthy protein source like grilled chicken or salmon, your favorite fish, grass-fed organic meat, and add a little leafy green salad. You've got leafy greens here, but you're not going to taste those. See, this combination provides a balanced plate of protein, healthy fats, and even more greens to support your overall erectile health. And there you have it, a delicious, nutrient-packed meal. Let's get that pesto on here. Let's mix it up. This recipe delivers about 56 grams of nitrates, over 200 milligrams of magnesium, and 3.5 milligrams of zinc. Look at that. This is gonna be delicious. Can you see that green mixing in there? Oh, amazing. Listen, make it for yourself, make it for your family. I'm telling you, if you can perfect the E-Function Pesto Pasta, listen, nobody has to know it's making them healthy. That's the best part about it. It's just delicious. Don't forget to use the link below to get my free gift on how to just eat for your erections all the time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes and tips and how to live your healthiest and hardest life. I'm Dr. Rachel. I love you. Boom! I'm out.